Instance widgets allow you to use the features that you need during your activity. This video will show you how to customize the controls menu. Hold menu button. Enter settings. Select controls. Select the function you want to change. Enter the function to reorder or remove. Start reordering your function. Press the upper right button to finish the settings. Or select Add New to add the new functions on your menu. Press upper right button to finish adding. Now you may hold the light button anytime to view your controls menu.